Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you how I make this simple delicious moi moi. To begin, I'll be peeling my beans with my blender. Yes, it's possible to peel your beans with a blender. I will show you how. So just pour in the dry beans into your blender. You don't need to soak it in water first, just pour it into your blender and then add water straight and start blending. So what happened here is that I tried peeling off the beans, as in all of the beans at once, but it wasn't giving me water, so I had to divide it into two. So I'm doing it in two batches. So after peeling the first, I pour it into a bowl and then peel the second one. Then now I'm washing. So I just have to wash and wash till it runs clear. It depends, or you can just do it twice or three times and it's okay for you, but I want to remove more of the back. So after washing, I'm going to be soaking it for some hours, at least like 2 to 3 hours, because somehow we are in a haste to consume this. But if you have the whole time, you can soak more than 4 hours if you want it fluffy. Like soaking it for a longer time gives you the best or a better texture. So this is my soft bone. Some call it, they say it's biscuit bone, but then the right word is brisket bone. Brisket, yeah. I go school. So I'm going to be cooking it for some time. I'm not going to season it or whatever, just put it, the bone on it, as in the bone itself has a very sweet taste, so I just season with only salt. This is not just ordinary bone, guys. Like this bone, if you've not tried using it for your moi moi, try this. As in, when next you want to make moi moi, just try it. The bone has oil in and it's very soft. Like it gives this unique taste to your moi moi. Not just only being moi moi. If you want to make moi moi, you call it, use this bone. I tell you, you will not regret it. This is the main ingredient I'm going to use for this moi moi. Forget all these other things. This is the main thing. So this is chili pepper or tatashi and few Scotch bonnet, about 2 or 3 pieces of Scotch bonnet pepper, and then my onion. I'm going to be slicing them into this bigger sizes to help my blender to finish the work. So this pepper is actually adding color to it. Like if you want your moment to come out that's reddish, add more shombo to it. I'm okay with this. I just don't want it to be that red. So guys, my beans is ready to be blended. Like I told you, I soaked for about 3 hours, and I'm going to be blending in about 3 batches. Yes, because I wouldn't want it to waste my time at all. If I pack everything in one, this thing is going to take much of my time, so I'm going to be doing it in 3 batches. Please, at this point, if you are still watching, why haven't you liked this video? Please like this video, click on the subscribe button if you are new here, and also turn on the notification so you can be notified each time a new video drops. Thank you. So to the last one I'm blending, I am adding some crayfish to it. So it is time to mix and mix and mix. So to this plate I added some hot water, not really hot, like warm water. I use it to dissolve these bouillon cubes. If you just throw it into the batter like that, like it might be eating some chunks of bouillon cubes, so I have to dissolve it first before adding to the batter. So I just added salt to the batter, the melted bouillon cube, the bone, that is the biscuit bone I cooked earlier. It contains oil, so I'm adding it first to see if there is need to still add extra vegetable oil. So looking at it is not okay, so I'm adding extra vegetable oil. So now I mixed everything up and it's somehow thick. The butter is still thick. It's not yet there. If I should cook this thing this way, hey, this mama is going to come out like Zuma rock. So I am adding little more warm water. Yeah, I'm dropping some warm water to it to loosen it up a bit. So I'm trying to form the base on which I will be laying or placing my moi moi. I tried putting this one. It no work at all. It's too big. I remembered, even though I'm going to use leaf for this moi moi, I have moi moi plate now. Let me try those ones to see if it will give me what I'm looking for. Yeah, I got it. So even though these moi moi plates are going to be serving as a base for me, I will have to fill them up. Now I'm done filling up those 4 moi moi plates. Back to the main thing, which is the leaf I'll be using for this moi moi. Of course, you all know that using leaf for moi moi, the taste is out of this world. I don't know what actually gives this leaf moi moi that unique taste. Please, I would like to read your opinion in the comment section. Yes. So I'm done wrapping up the moi moi. Everything is ready to be cooked. So just cook for 40 to 45 minutes. Yes, you'll be sure that the moi moi will be perfectly cooked. This is the cheapest moi moi you ever make because it doesn't really require much. I know you can make your moi moi with fish, corned beef, minced meat. All these things are very good, but I'm just doing this recipe to tell you that even without all this, you can make your moi moi and enjoy it. It is ready. Wow, can you guys see the leaf has actually turned from green to dark, like lighter green or light green to a darker green. This is to tell you that it is done. So delicious, and look at how fluffy it is. Like, it's very soft. It's very soft. So guys, please like this video, subscribe if you're new here, also share this video please to your family and friends. Thank you for watching. Bye.